Hello guys, I hope you are all doing good. In today's video, we will discuss how to connect your home lab network using CLI from EC2 AWS instance from anywhere. For example, you are preparing for interview or you are studying for certification and you have set up a lab in your personal laptop or computer, uh, but you want to access from somewhere else. For example, you went for some relative house or you're in an office, you have some free time and you want to utilize that time by practicing some commands eh, to your home lab. But how we can connect to your home lab? Today we will see an example. So this is absolutely free, guys, if you follow what I'm going to say. So I will list what I have done here. So I have set up eveng home lab where I am running multiple lab setups. For example, IPsec, MPLS, multiple firewall devices. So I am connecting this home lab to my home router. So make sure you are able to ping your home router gateway. For example, in my case, I can ping my gateway, router gateway, which is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so yeah, I have an IP address set up for this eveng server. So I'm able to do the SSH. So SSH is enabled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to establish a SSH tunnel, which is called as a reverse SSH tunnel from my home lab to the EC2 instance. So I hope you guys are aware, AWS provide some free EC2 instance if you maintain within limits. So for example, you need to maintain certain storage, certain data speed and certain resources. You can refer AWS documentation or you can watch some videos if you want to know more about how to fire up EC2 instance without exceeding the free tier usage. So yeah, back to the point. So I will be connecting using SSH reverse tunnel from my home lab. I'll use SSH reverse tunnel to establish a SSH connectivity to my EC2 AWS. And what I will do from anywhere else, I just need a computer access, or even from my tablet, I can open EC2 instance using AWS Connect. So from there, I can simply do the reverse SSH tunnel and connect to my home lab. I will show you how to do that. First, you need to go to your home lab. Make sure you're able to ping your home gateway and you're able to SSH to your eveng server. I'm using this eveng server as a jump server. So once I build the lab, I will ensure from here I'm able to SSH to my other networking devices in the labs. For example, my edge router, I should be able to SSH from this eveng. So this is like a jump server. Okay. So to establish a reverse SSH tunnel, I will be using this command. I'll show you. Yeah, so this is SSH command. Okay, so you can see R means remote port, 5000 local host and 22 local host means to your laptop. So from easy once this SSH is established, you need to connect using this port and this address. So it will be a reverse tunnel. I'll show you how to use that. So yeah, here here 22 means from EC2 instance. If you connect to the port 5000, it will be connected to 22 port to my IP address. Okay, to my home lab IP address. So yeah, so here I have SSH key already downloaded from my AWS instance. So my AWS EC2 username and my public IP. Don't worry, this IP will be released once I shut down my EC2 instance. Okay, so now go ahead and click enter. If you click enter, so it will take a couple of seconds. So here you can see it established a SSH tunnel with my EC2 instance. So you can see where I am. I am here in uh, under home slash EC2 user. So I have logged into, you can see Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, fine. So now you have established a SSH tunnel between your home lab to EC2 instance. Okay, so now you want to do the reverse SSH tunnel from EC2 to your home lab. It is simple. Now go to your EC2 instance. For example, instance list. Okay, here if you so this is my instance list. You can see public IP is assigned here. Okay, so if you click connect, it will be on the right side. Yeah, here is the option connect. So it will ask for how you are going to connect using EC2 instance connect. So if you click connect, so it will open up a web terminal. Okay, from here you can also run this command netstat grub ssh. You can see what are all the ssh session established between this EC2 instance and uh, the remote lab whichever we are running. Okay, I'm not seeing here. Okay, let's try to SSH, do the reverse tunneling. Okay, hyphen port number, SSH port number. I have mentioned 5000. Okay, so 5000. So my lab user ID is root, and I'm going to use localhost. Okay, yeah. So see, it is asking for my eveng home lab password. If yep, I'm able to connect to my home lab. So that's all. From here, even I can ping my modem. You can see, right? 1.1 is the gateway, and if you have set up your lab, you can access from here. For example, you have a router at 1.100, you can SSH from here. From there onwards, you will be able to access your entire lab network. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.